Class 12 NCERT Maths, Chapter 6, Application of Derivatives, Exercise 6.4, Question 2nd. Find the approximate value of f of 2.01 when fx equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. F of 2.01 we have to find out. Let us write down f of x plus h equal to fx plus h f dash x. And we have to take here x equal to 2, h equal to 0.01. Then f of 2.01 equal to f of 2 plus 0.01 f dash x. Now here fx equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Then f of 2 equal to 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 2. Then f of 2 we will get 28. Then f dash x will be 8x plus 5 on differentiating fx equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Then f dash 2 will be 8 into 2 plus 5. It is equal to 21. Then f of 2.01 equal to 28 plus 0.01 multiply 21. Then f of 2.01 will be 28.21. Now let us see question 3. Find the approximate value of f of 5.001 when fx equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15. Let us write down formula f of x plus h equal to fx plus h f dash x. Then f of 5.001 equal to f of x plus h. Then here x equal to 5, h equal to 0.001. Then f of 5.001 equal to f of 5 plus 0.001 f dash 5. Fx equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15. Then f of 5 will be 5 cube minus 7 into 5 square plus 15. On simplifying it, f of 5 will be minus 35. F dash 5 is equal to 3 into 5 square minus 14 into 5. Now f dash 5 we are getting on finding f dash x will be 3x square minus 14x. Then f dash 5 will be 75 minus 70, you will get it 5. Now f of 5.001 will be minus 35 plus 0.001 multiply 5. Then it will be minus 35 plus 0.005. Then f of 5.001 will be minus 34.995. Now question 4. Find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meter caused by increasing the side by 1%. That means if you are increasing side of a cube 1%, then what will be increase in a volume? So let us start by formula of volume of cube. V is equal to x cube. Let us differentiate with respect to x. dv by dx equal to 3x square. Now delta V we will say change in volume and delta x we will say change in x. Now then delta V upon delta x will be dv by dx. Then delta V is equal to delta x into dv by dx. Now delta x is given 1% of x, but dv by dx is 3x square. So we can write down delta x equal to x upon 100 and we can put value of delta x upon 100 and dv by dx value in delta V is equal to delta x into dv by dx. So on keeping the value delta V is equal to x upon 100 multiply 3x square, then at last we will get delta V is equal to 3 upon 100 x cube. So delta V is equal to 3 upon 100 into V because x cube is a V. So delta V is equal to 3% of V. Now question 5. Find the approximate change in the surface area of a cube of a side x meter caused by decreasing the side by 1%. Now what is the surface area of a cube? Cube has a 6 side and each side is having area x square. That means s is equal to x square. Now ds by dx will be 12x. Then delta s upon delta x equal to ds upon dx. Now what we have to find out? Let us see in problem. Find the approximate change in surface area. That means we have to find out delta s. Then delta s will be ds upon dx into delta x. Now delta x is 1% of x decreasing. That means delta x equal to minus 1% of x. it gives us minus 1 multiply x upon 100. On removing percentage sign, we should write down 100 in denominator, then delta x will be minus x upon 100. Now we will have delta s is equal to 12x multiplied by minus x upon 100, then delta s will be minus 12x square upon 100. Now we can write down minus 2 upon 100 multiplied by 6x square, and 6x square is value of s. So delta s equal to minus 2s upon 100. So delta s is 2% of s. So that means delta s is decreasing by 2%. So delta s in another form we can write down minus 0.12 x square. Let us see problem 6. If the radius of a sphere is measured as 7 meter with an error of 0.02. 0.02 is error in a radius, that means you can say delta r. Then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Now volume of sphere V is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Then dV by dr is equal to d by dr of 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Then dV by dr we can get 4 upon 3 into 3 pi r square. Then dV by dr we are getting 4 pi r square. Now delta V upon delta r is equal to dV by dr. Delta V error in volume, delta r is error in a radius. Now r is given 7 meter and delta r is equal to 0.02 meter, and delta V we have to find out. Now let us find out delta V. It is equal to dV by dr into delta r. Now dV by dr is 4 pi r square, and what is delta r? Delta r is equal to 0.02. So 4 pi r square into delta r, it means 4 pi into 7 square into 0.02, which gives us delta V is equal to 3.92 pi meter cube. So with this we have completed exercise 6.4, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5 and question 6.